Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today, yes, today it's weekend, Saturday, May the 21st, 2022. We have here two regular puzzles, Sudoku Medium and a Samurai Sudoku, aka Quintuplet. 5 Sudokus merged into one whole Samurai Sudoku, yes. So two regular Sudokus today, but we have also in today's newspaper an additional with 6 extra puzzles. Letter Sudoku with 2 stars, 3 stars, Tectonic with 4 stars. Yeah, Saturday, May the 21st, 2022. Tectonic with 1 star, and the binary puzzles. And those puzzles I'm not interested. So total of 6 extra puzzles. I won't do them all today. 3 of them I will solve. I will solve the 3 stars, Tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary puzzle. And the rest of those puzzles I will do them on Sunday, because on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. All right, so let's get started. And this one will be number 4584. 84. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzles, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have a 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Alright. Then 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So the row between and the second row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see that 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Alright. Yeah. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between, the middle row, only 2 places left. Excuse me. For the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. There 6, no 6 there. Only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 6. Alright. Then 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 3 should be there. Alright, we have a pair. 7 and an 8 in the last column. 7 and an 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 7 and 8, 7 and 8. Alright. So now we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here, 2 missing numbers. We have 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 9. We have a 3 and a 9 in the last column, so no 3 and a 9 in these two boxes. The 3 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as appear. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Two boxes left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. One box left in the last column. For the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. So 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Alright. Then. 1, okay. How about the 4 in this row? The 4 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see that 4, no 4, therefore should be there. Okay. Alright. Then. Let me scan. 493. Alright. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next down, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see that 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Alright. Cannot continue with the 7. Let me see. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in the middle column, so no 2 in this box. So the 2 could be here, or there. We see there 2, so no 2 there. Here a 2 in the first column, so no 2 there. Only place left for the 2 should be here. 1, 5. 1, 5. Yeah. 8. I'm thinking. 2 missing numbers in the middle row. 4 numbers. So 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see that 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright. Well. One box left in this row. For the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and the 9, 5 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in the first column for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. The 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Alright. Then we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. In the first column, 5 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see the 5 in the middle column, so no 5 in this box. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see that 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 7. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 5. Alright, now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be an 8. 2 missing numbers in the third row. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between, only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there in 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 8. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in this box. The 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this column. 3 in the second column. So the third column, only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 4. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this row for number. Oh, wait. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 box left in this last row for the number, I believe the 9. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 1. 2 final numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Wow. Well, I've indicated with the 2 stars. Well, yeah, let me give this a 2 stars. And I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. So I'm very pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later on with the other 3 puzzles in additional, and tomorrow the rest of the puzzles in additional. So the daily Sudoku practice continues. Until then, bye bye for now.